Hi everyone! So ayan, I'm Kat po from Ron's Catering and Events. So ang aming team po for today ay Space Jam basketball team. So ayan, katatapos lang po ng aming setup. This package po is upgraded event. So for 70 packs po, 50 adults and 20 kids. So ayan, pasilip event lang po muna tayo. Kami ngayon.